Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. How are you doing? Well, let's go over ADA here. Quickly give you guys an update of where we're at. I know we're in a bear market here, but we actually just won another trade the other day, 83 for 83 wins, and this was over here actually on MATIC. We took a profit of 4.24% on 50% of our position, and then our other 50% ended up getting hit. So let me show that to you guys real quick, and then we'll get over into ADA. We literally got out here right at the top here. Well, money flow was high. The trend exhaustion was high as well, pushing up in the top red section. I was talking about this in my analysis. This is why we use these indicators to exit the market. So we ended up taking that profit, and then the other 50% hit at the break-even entry. So great job for you guys. I wanted to get us out of here. I didn't think we were going to go too much higher. So we ended up winning another trade and we were able to lock in that money. So great job for everyone. Follow me over there. All right. In the second half of this video, I will show you guys how to get into our trade so you do not have to miss another trade setup. Obviously, we're going to talk about ADA and there's a lot of news that came out and it's not good news. So let's dive into that. But I'll show you guys how to get into our next trade so you don't miss another one. Real quick announcement for you guys. No, not tomorrow. I'm sorry. Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually Thanksgiving. So I'm going to be doing videos tomorrow on Thanksgiving. We're going to do a half day and spend the rest of the half day with our family. So I will be doing videos tomorrow. So just so you guys know, and we will be on Friday. Okay, let's go over this. I don't do news articles a lot, but this has to be announced because Etoro over here just delisted Cardano. Etoro is a fairly big trading exchange. Etoro will be limiting ADA and TRX for users in the US. These US users will no longer be able to open new positions in or receive stake rewards for Cardano ADA and Tron TRX. You will still be able to close positions as you see fit. Obviously, everyone is closing positions and it is dropping this thing because who's going to hold on to something where it's going to get delisted on your exchange, okay? So this basically came out and said this. This is due to business-related constrictions in the evolving regulatory environment. I will try to link this article in the description of this video so you guys can see this, but it's everywhere on the news. It's not hard to find. Okay. What am I looking at as far as ADA and people who are in the trade with me? Because I am currently in this trade as well. Obviously, this market is crashing. We might be below 50,000. I'm sorry, guys. Let me just do this right now. I'm just going to go in here and do this real quick so you guys can, I don't want to have to redo this video. I want to show this to you guys. Let me get in here real quick. So as I'm doing this, the point of this video is you guys are going to see a ridiculous amount of people starting to sell, like an insane amount. What I want to point out to you guys is that I am actually over here, and this sounds really bad, I know, but I'm getting very excited about this because this is creating some very good buying opportunities for us, and we are about to have our third buy limit for ADA get hit, okay? So as this approaches lows, I do believe demand is going to start taking over here, and we could see ADA actually start to fly up here, and it could be kind of an insane bull run. Take a look at this here. Yeah, currently sitting below 50. Obviously, the market's tanking. 49.985. We are actually not doing that bad over here, okay? Look at ADA. Here's our entry we ended up taking. We ended up taking an entry over here on November 9th at 222, and then we got in over here at 195 on November 10th, and we are almost hitting our third one down here, which could actually be maybe this weekend, or I don't know, guys, maybe on Thanksgiving, where we could hit our third buy limit. This is why we have 4 buy limits set up. I have a lot of people say, hey, I don't want to use the third buy limit. I don't want to use the fourth one. And I've told some of you guys, hey, you might be able to get away with using just 3. Okay, you could use 3, in a bull market, that's great. You never know when a bear market's going to take over. And I don't like how people are like, everything's just going to the moon, get in and buy and buy. I tell you guys that when you FOMO into these high prices, nobody ever thinks about, oh, we're just going to crash and dip all the way back down. It always seems to be when the price is going up, your emotions are triggered saying, oh my gosh, this is where it's going to the moon. There's no such thing as the moon, guys. Like everything will have pullbacks and disappoint you before you head to the moon, okay? So even us right now, I would actually really enjoy if this market keeps crashing and hits our third buy limit here, because what's going to happen, you guys are going to see on the charts here, is our break-even entry is not going to stay here. You are going to add the first buy limit price plus the second buy limit price and the third buy limit price, add those 3 together and divide them by 3, and it's most likely going to push our break-even entry down here. So this is going to actually drop us probably close to 10% that it's going to make back up immediately for us, instead of being down, okay, let's just calculate this real quick. Instead of being down 27%, this is probably going to push us around this area, I would say right around here, where instead of being down 27%, I would say we're probably only down about 18. So it's going to save us about 7 to 8%. Like you're going to save 7 to 8% and you're going to do nothing except let the market crash on you, and you're going to save yourself 8%. This is why this is so ridiculously enticing for people to trade this way. And then if it wants to keep going down, we've got another buy limit of cash waiting in the bank. Like we are waiting for Black Friday sales all the time on that 70-inch screen TV. We're doing this for crypto. Okay, watch this. This is why you guys want the price for swell money flow indicators and the trend exhaustion. These are going up literally in 6 days. That's all you guys have left. We are getting positive divergence on ADA. I came out here yesterday in the Telegram channel to update you guys with this because it was a big announcement, and I said this. I'm still holding my ADA, and I think this could actually create incredible demand for ADA on other exchanges like Coinbase that's still available, and push ADA into a pump here soon, as it's a great discount right now. I do believe this is still true. What we are seeing is a crash in the overall markets. Even the S&P 500 over here is taking a dump as well. So all markets are going down right now. But this is the time where you should be buying. Look at the discount of where we're currently sitting. This is the high, and we are all the way down here at the bottom. What I'm going to show you guys in the second half of this video is how to set up buy limits. If you guys are new to this channel and you have extra money, like seriously, this is not a bad time to get into crypto and start buying. I myself might actually inject another $10,000, $20,000 just to end up buying this dip because it is insane. What you're seeing right now is this, and I want you guys to watch this. We've officially received a low and a higher low formation on the trend exhaustion, and a low and a higher low formation on the well money flow. We have seen clearly a low and a lower low formation, and even pushing to another lower low here on ADA if you go to lower time frames. This is showing us we are due for this move back down, and it's showing for a drop in the market for all retail traders. Okay, let me make that clear. All retail traders are in here looking at the RSI stochastic MACD, and obviously all their moving averages are tanking, and they are selling. They're selling. Not with a lot of choice either for those who are on Etoro. They're getting the heck out of the way because this thing's dropping. But look at this. We are creating divergence here, guys. Just as, listen to this carefully, guys. I'm going to give you some hope. Just as everything does not just go to the moon, nothing ever just tanks all the way. Why? Because institutions, wells, exchanges will inject an incredible amount of money because they want to buy on discount. What they're waiting for is to get all of you guys as retail traders to keep selling. They want you to fear. They want you to fear. They want you to fear. What we're going to do on this channel is we are going to buy, and we are going to buy the entire time. Even Ethereum, guys, we're doing great. We have 3 other buy limits. We're going to buy, and buy all the way down. Bitcoin, we are buying all the way down this entire thing, okay? We are not going to sell a single position. If this drops down quite a bit, we are going to hold our positions, and we're not going to sell in the loss, because once you sell, why would you sell when we can just put more money into the market with our already set buy limits, and then we can take money when we're in the profit? Guys, this is very important. Now, watch this. We're going to go over the metrics today to give us more insight into this market, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get into our next trades so you guys can take advantage of this. I literally am probably going to inject, I don't know, maybe in the next 3 or 4 days, probably another $10,000, just so you guys know. And I'll let you guys know what coins I'm getting into in the Telegram channel. Okay, emotional index. This is pushing down into the fearful section. I wouldn't doubt when this updates today at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in an hour and about 23 minutes here, you guys are going to see this probably push down closer to the fearful section. Obviously, there's anxiety and there's literally fear with people on Etoro over here, with people in that exchange of this thing is just going to drop out. It is pretty nerve-wracking for a lot of people. So as this starts moving down, we need to look at more things here. What you guys are most likely going to see over here is you are going to see, and watch this today at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the demand is going to start taking over, and long trades are going to start going up, and short trades are going to start going down. This is a bullish sign in the market. A lot of people are going to freak out, and they are going to sell this thing, and we are not going to sell. We are going to buy this every single day. And you are most likely going to see long trades increase to buy the demand of a lower price, and you're going to see short trades get out of the way because they do not think it's going to head down any further. Again, I'm repeating this to say, guys, this is a bullish sign. This is also bullish divergence with the well money flow. You guys need these on your charts here, okay? Let's come over here and let's look at this more metrics here. Long over short trade risk. Where is the risk sitting? Well, it's definitely not on short trades, that's for sure, because it's definitely the favor is sitting on long trades here. The risk is on short trades, okay? I really do believe this. Let's keep going down here. Take a look at this. Well, institutional smart money. These guys are smart. Last time we ended up seeing a pump and all retail traders got excited and greedy, they ended up shorting you guys out and we dropped the market. What have they been doing here? Acquired incredibly amount of long trades in here, rode this up here and took some profits. Now that we see we're dropping down again here, I can guarantee you guys, as this thing drops, you are going to see the acquisition of long trades for Wells and institutions and smart money, the big boys, trading against all the retail traders. Retail traders are creating liquidity in the market for sell positions for billions and billions of dollars to be shoved into the market for ADA, because that's how they make their orders. They wait for selling pressure of retail traders, and that's when they place their big orders to buy crypto on the dip. Support and resistance, guys. Looking at this drop down here, we are going to head down here to 170, obviously. So 170 was this mark right here on the chart. We got to come over here and now look at the structures of where the next structure is. Guys, I spend so much meticulous time on these buy limits. It's the one thing I spend more time on than anything else in this business meticulously doing. Why do I have it at 152? Here's the reason why. At 150, an incredible amount of demand is going to take over for ADA. An incredible amount. Why? It is a quarters theory number. It also sits at the strongest structure of support that we have over here is right around here at 149. 150, there's no way I'm getting in at 150. I am getting in above structure support, and I'm getting in above the psychological number, because everybody and their mother is going to want to get in here at $1.50 to ride this thing back up. Hint, hint, we're going to get in a little bit higher. And the longer you have your buy limit set up in the exchange, it goes in systematic order. I've had this buy limit set up here for about 3 weeks. So we're going to get picked up if you guys got into the beginning of this and you did not move your buy limits like you're supposed to. If you kept your buy limits where you're at, as this moves down here and if it gets triggered in, all of you guys are going to have first priority over everybody who's entered into a trade the last 1 to 2 weeks. This is again why our strategy is the best, and you guys want to keep your buy limits where they're at. Priority will give favor to us because we've been holding this for so long. Okay, I'm telling you guys, there's no better way to trade crypto than this strategy, and you guys are seeing the benefits of this in a bear market cycle. I'm not worried whatsoever. I hope this thing goes down, and that is how confident we are here, because we want more money in the market to drop our entry, 7-8% in the favor, and then move back up. Okay, a few more seconds here, guys, and then I'll end up coming out and showing you guys how to get into our next trades. Okay, this came out here a few days ago and said, hey, if you want to throw $1,000 into the market every time you get a green line and ride this up for 5 to 10 years, this is what you guys do. Great. Looking here is exit points. Obviously, we haven't got one for a while except for the one back here, and this called the drop. We saw this doing, fairly well, calling this drop here, and then this move back down, and this move back down here. So this is just telling us, hey, if you're in a long trade, maybe look to exit 25 or 50%. Okay, let's fly through this. Let's get you guys into the new trades. Not going to spend much time on this, guys. The membership is $49 a month. I am going to be upping the price of this. You will all get grandfathered in if you just get $49 a month now. Great. That is going to give you access to all the metrics here. What you want to do, this will give you access to the live trades. This is where you want to be hanging out. This is where we take all of our trades. Every single one of our 83 trades, we are still winning trades in a bear market cycle. I get this question so many times. We just passed 3,000 subscribers. People are seeing, oh my gosh, this is actually a strategy I can trade while the markets are crashing. And a lot of people are losing a ton of money right now, but we are totally fine in here, and we hope the market goes down further. I don't know of another channel who's literally taking live trades with $50,000 of their own money, and they're wanting the market to go down further. This is why we have such good risk management, and why a lot of people are joining this, and they're seeing the benefit of, we're not going to be into the pump coins over here. We're keeping money safe, and we're making money in this market, okay? So watch this. You guys want to come over here into the trades and come over here into the live trade section, and this is where you guys can trade this. All of our coins are listed right here for the trade entries. The metrics are up here. Trade entries are down here. Follow me. We're obviously into Cardano, so you're just going to click into Cardano today to see this chart. I'm going to keep it private for our paid subscribers. Here's what you guys are going to see. I've updated a lot of buy limits, including Bitcoin today. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics as well as our live trade charts update. This is so simple, and this is how we win trades, period. You guys come down here and do this. If you have, let's say, $1,000 you want to enter into the market with, you are going to split that $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250, and you are going to place it at each buy limit. Here's the price in neon yellow. You cannot miss it. These are your 4 buy limit prices. Why are they spread out? Because things drop. period. I have people say, why do you have a buy limit so low? Why do you have a buy limit so low here? I'm not being arrogant. Like, I understand those are honest questions, so I appreciate them. The point, because everything ends up dropping. Nothing ever just goes to the moon. Everything will have a pullback, okay? I want to break off this thought from you guys of you guys thinking everything's going to go to the moon when you get a breakout here. That is not ever going to happen. You will always see pullbacks and crashes in the market, and if you don't trade like we're trading here, you're going to FOMO in and you are going to be losing for the rest of your life when you trade. I know that's a strong argument there, but if you guys are coming in here, and again, if you're FOMOing into these top positions, you guys, the Wells institutions are going to sell all of your FOMO greed in here, and they're going to basically take your money. A lot of people are still trapped up here. A ton of people are trapped up here. All these people are trapped here. They're trapped here. They're trapped here. Every single one of these breakouts that ended up happening over here has trapped every single bull, and they're all in the negative right now. And guys, that's just how crypto works. Nothing ever keeps going up. Okay. Sorry, I want to just point that out there a little bit. Okay, take your trade allotment, $1,000, $250. It's 25% at each buy limit. That's the simplest way to look at this. Put 25% here, 25%, 25%, 25%. Okay. Once your first buy limit is hit, come up here and set your sell limit at the green line. This is so simple, guys. Once you do that, sign up for Telegram on your personal computer or your phone first. Log into the actual a Trade Confident membership page with the $49 a month. Click here and it will give you guys a hot link over into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and giving you guys crucial market updates over here, okay? The last thing to do is get our indicators because we are using these on these trades. Guys, if it wasn't for the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion, I would not have made a call like I did on MATIC. Period. I saw this. I had people writing in. I even put it in the actual analysis. I said we pushed up into the top red section. Well, money flows up here. We ended up seeing a crash right after that. Everything was updated live. This is why I use these guys. This is how we're making money. Here you guys go. Do not miss it. 83% off all of our indicators. Just get the bundle pack. If you want to copy me and so you guys are not losing any trades, you need the price versus well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion to copy my charts and understand the analysis that I'm doing, as well as looking to take exits in the market. This is 58 to 60% off if you buy the indicators individually. If you guys get it on Black Friday sale, you are getting 23% more than the already discounted individual price. There's not another bundle out there that's this cheap right now in the market for this quality. We are not losing trades, guys, and this is why we are not losing it. It is with the risk management, it is with the indicators, it is with the metrics, okay? Not only do you guys get this on sale today, but this is actually going to go up here $50 at the end of the month. And then I'm going to up the price of the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion before quarter one is up of next year. I might actually up these in December. I'm just letting you guys know. The point being, get the bundle pack, enter coupon code Black Friday at checkout. So click this. It's going to open up to our indicator site on Gumroad. They're our partners. And then we're going to actually just give you guys the 83% discount and type in Black Friday on the coupon code at checkout. It is sold separately from the membership. Get these and do not miss them, guys. All right. ADA, we're moving down here. We're continuing to drop here. What am I going to do? I am going to let our buy limits get hit. We are going to buy more of this. I'm most likely going to put more money into the exchange to buy more, guys. This is not a time to be selling. This is a time to have had the buy limits set up and keep all 4 buy limits in your exchange and do not move from 4, okay? This is where you guys are experiencing this. I don't know if we're going to hit our 4th buy limit, okay? We're probably going to hit our 3rd one. We're going to see a bounce back up is what I'm expecting. If we go all the way back down to $1, this whole market's going to crash like insane, and it's going to be kind of scary for a lot of people. Guys, if that just happens, our buy limits are going to get hit. Our break-even entry is going to go down probably 15% from where it's at right now, giving us 15% more favor to get back into the profit for our trade, and it's just going to get better and better for us trading this strategy. Get the indicators, set them up on your charts, get the metrics over here so you guys can understand, what's happening, and make sure you guys have your membership, okay? Make sure you guys are signing up for $49 a month. I am going to be upping the price of this. Guys, we are consistently winning trades through this, and we're almost 85 for 85 wins, and we are in a bear market right now, and we're taking profits. This is where you guys want to be trading and hanging out for both markets because we have not lost a trade, and I'm proving to you guys we are staying safe over here, and we are trading the market smart in a bull market as well as a bear market. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Hang in there. keep your heads up, set up your buy limits today for 80A so you aren't missing these ridiculous discounts. Literally, guys, click right here, set up your buy limits at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time today. Literally, you guys have about an hour and 12 minutes left, and all the metrics are going to update today. I have updated Cardano, by the way, so make sure you guys check that. God bless you guys. Everything it needs in the description. Get the indicators before they go up. Get the membership before it goes up, and get into the Telegram channel and start trading with a team over here that really, I believe, not to be arrogant, that knows how to trade bear markets and bull markets, and we have never lost a single trade. We're going 85 for 85 and 90 for 90 wins in the month of December. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow on Thanksgiving in the morning, and I'll come out with more videos today. God bless you guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.